Welcome back to my channel from Triple E to Tech. In this channel, we will learn programming and technological concepts from absolute basics, especially using for Triple E, useful for Triple E, ECE and beginner students. Today, we are starting a new course, C programming. This is the first class, so don't worry if you are a beginner. Let's start by step. Okay? Why do we need a programming language? Now let us understand. A computer is a machine. It does not understand human language like English or Telugu. Okay? So to make a computer do any task, we need to give some instructions special language. Okay? So to make computer task to make a computer do any tasks, we should need to give some instructions in a special language. Okay, the special language is called a programming language. Using programming languages, we can tell the computer what to do, how to do, and when to do. Okay, this is called programming language. And in this course, we'll learn about C programming. This is the one of the most important and fundamental language. Many modern languages like C++, Java, Python are based on these concepts, whereas C concepts. So, if you learn C programming clearly, learning other programming languages becomes very easy. Let us introduction to C. Now let us see why we should learn C programming. Firstly, C helps us understand the fundamentals of the programming very clearly, and C programs are very fast and effective. After learning C, you will be able to learn better and optimize programs. Once you know C, you can learn other programming language much more easily. Okay? C is a very important for job interviews, especially for core and software roles. Okay? Then what are the applications of C? Now let us see where C is used. C is used in operating systems like Windows, Linux, iOS, OS X, and in the databases C is used in MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL. It is widely used in embedded systems also like microcontrollers and hardware related programs. Even Python initially uses C, which means C is used to build Python itself. So C is a very powerful language and widely used language. Okay. Now let us see Hello World program. Whenever we learn a new programming language, the first program we will write is called Hello World program. Okay. This program is used to check whether the program environment is working correctly or not. Now let us see how a C programming language uses a simple flow. Okay. This is the flow of Hello World program. Okay. See this flow of Hello World program. Here you can see the flow of program. First the program starts, then it executes the instructions to print hello world, and finally the program ends. This shows the program runs in a step by step manner. Okay, here is the simple program of the hello world. Let us write our first program. This line includes the slash include stdio dot. This line includes the standard input output file libraries. Whereas in int main, this is the main function where program execution starts. In between flower brackets, there are printf statement and function and return 0 function. Whereas printf statement prints the message on the screen. Okay. This return 0, this tells the compiler that the program is execution successful. Let us see what will be the output of the program. Here, when we run this program, the output will be hello world. This confirms that our first C program is working correctly. Okay. Next, what did we learn until now? Let us quickly revise what we learned in this class. Why C programming? Why C programming is important? Why we need programming languages? And introduction to C language. Then how to write a simple hello world program. This is the foundations of the C programming. Then you can practice this codes in your playground like VS Code. In the next class, we will learn about the variables and data types in the C. If you liked this class, please like the video, subscribe to From Tribly to Tech, and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.